All right, let's try to compute binomial coefficients using Pascal's triangle so that we don't have to mess with this messy formula here. All right, so I'm going to arrange binomial coefficients in a triangular format. All right, so on top you have 0, choose 0, 1, choose 0, 1, choose 1, 2, choose 0, 2, choose 1, 2, choose 2, and so on. So you got the pattern, right? All right, so these are the binomial coefficients for these guys. All right, then let's pay attention to this very useful property. All right, so for example, I'm going to pick on 3, choose 2. All right, any element is going to be the sum of the two elements above. All right, so for example, 3, choose 2 is the sum of 2, choose 1 and 2, choose 2. All right, here's the reason why. All right, 3, choose 2 is the number of ways to choose two elements out of three elements. Right? There are two ways to do it. You can choose one element from the first two, then choose the third one. Or you can choose two elements from the first two and not to choose the third one. So 3, choose 2 is always going to be the sum of 2, choose 1 and 2, choose 2. Right? So I'm going to use this property to complete the Pascal's triangle. Right? First, choosing nothing, there's only one way, so you have a bunch of ones here. Right? Choosing everything, there's only one way, so we put a bunch of ones there. Right? Then if you do 1 plus 1, then we know that the 1 plus 1 is 2, so we know that the 2 goes there. Right? Then go to the next one. You have 1 plus 2. Then 1 plus 2 is 3, and 3 goes there. And then you have 2 plus 1. You have 3 there. Right? Then next one, you have 1 plus 3 gives you 4. And 3 plus 3 gives you 6. And 3 plus 1 gives you 4. Right? So you can see that it is very easy to construct Pascal's triangle. Right? Once you've done that, for example, we can figure out the quantity a plus b to the fourth power. Right? First, if you want to compute that, we're going to put the coefficients down. 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. Right? Then after that, we're going to put a bunch of a's there, but we're going to start with a to the fourth and go down one by one. So we're going to get a to the fourth, a cubed, a squared, a to the first power, and a to the 0 power. Then after that, we're going to put a bunch of b's there, right? But for the b's, we're going to start with b to the 0. So it's going to look like this. B to the 0, b to the first, b squared, b cubed, and b to the fourth power. All right, once you've done that, you don't have to do much, but I'd like to clean up a little bit, and then here is the final result. All right, so you get this guy. All right, so it's pretty easy to find binomial coefficients if you can construct the Pascal's triangle. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.